Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and today is July the 1st, and this is the very beginning of Journal July, and this collaboration is hosted by Meg Journals and in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So, and if you're interested in joining the movement, I'll have a link in the description where it'll take you to Meg's channel, and she'll have links that take you to her blog where you can get like a free downloadable digital with all the prompts and information on how to do the challenge. So right here's my little journal, and I've already done a video of it, and so we're going to go ahead and get started on our prompts. And I put my little prompts on like a little makeshift clipboard so that I could keep up with as I go along. So today's first prompt is spark, and I went on ahead and I took the initiative to go ahead and try to find a few things that I can use for spark. And mainly one, I just got this dictionary definition, so we just add that in there. But for my definition of spark that I'm going to be using, is basically like the combustible, like embers left over from like a fire or something like that, or it could be from like fireworks or things like that. So I'm just going to make a quick little layout, and I'll probably just put some music on because it's going to be a quick layout. And I just grabbed some scraps and things that I feel like I could probably use. Like I have a master board that has some of these same little images off this paper, or not paper, it's like a napkin. So I'm probably going to use part of it because I want it to have like a nighttime scene, kind of, sort of. So I'm just going to randomly tear some of this, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is pretty much it. It's like a campfire, and then you see like the light and the embers coming from the fire, and then you have your tree and your grass and things like that. And I made, this is a little pocket right here, and then I just made like a little tag to go in there. Just, to me, it made it look a little bit better. And then I've got my little moon. I don't know if you can kind of tell, those are supposed to be clouds. And little stars and stuff like that, because they kind of give like sparks of light. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And so my next video will be on Thursday, or the next full-fledged video will be on Thursday the 4th, and that'll be for labels. But as far as postcard and fold, if I do make a video, it'll probably be like a YouTube short or a TikTok video or something like that. But I will definitely post all of each day my photos of the projects on Instagram every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for all you new subscribers, thank you so much, and for you current subscribers, thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting.